Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to fix the clipboard not working problem on Mac. If copy and paste suddenly stops working on your Mac, you are not alone. Clipboard glitches are far more common than you might think. Whether the text won't transfer, images won't paste, or shortcuts like Command plus C and Command plus V stop responding, a frozen clipboard can interrupt your workflow in seconds. In this hands-on guide, I'll show you some simple and effective ways to fix keyboard issues on your Mac so that you can get things running smoothly again. That said, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to force close the app using the clipboard on your Mac. Sometimes a specific app freezes and the clipboard starts malfunctioning. Force quitting that app can instantly restore copy-paste functionality. So just launch the Activity Monitor app on your Mac and then find the app you were copying from or pasting into. Then you have to select the app and hit the X button at the top. After that, you have to choose the Force Quit option in the menu. Once the app closes, try copying and pasting again. If the clipboard was stuck because the app stopped responding, this fixes it right away. Then I will recommend you to clear the clipboard history on your Mac. It's worth pointing out that your Mac stores temporary copied data as clipboard history, and if this data becomes corrupted, the clipboard may stop responding. So press Command plus Spacebar to open Spotlight Search on your Mac. And then you have to type clipboard or press Command plus 4 to jump to the clipboard history view. Then you have to hit the More button next to the search field. After that, choose Clear History from the drop-down menu and confirm it in the pop-up. After that, you have to restart your Mac and check if it fixes the clipboard issues on your Mac. And finally, I will recommend you to update the software on your Mac. Clipboard issues can also occur due to bugs in older system versions. Updating your macOS ensures you have the latest stability fixes, so launch the System Settings app on your Mac. And then you have to head over to General and Software Update section. And if an update appears, make sure to download and install it just like any other update. And that's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix Clipboard not working problem on Mac. Hopefully you have managed to get a better of this annoying problem, and now Clipboard has started to work like a charm on your macOS device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.